Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a job abroad with GoAbroad, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the GoAbroad website. Create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal details accurately. Explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the layout. Click on the Jobs section in the main menu. Use the search bar to find job opportunities in your desired country. Refine your search by specifying job type, industry, or duration. Review the listings carefully. Click on jobs that interest you for more details. Note the application requirements listed for each job. Update your resume to match the job descriptions. Draft a tailored cover letter for each application. Follow the application instructions provided in the listing. Submit your application through the specified platform or email. Keep track of the jobs you apply for. Check your email regularly for response updates. Prepare for interviews by researching the companies. Practice common interview questions and answers. Once you receive an offer, confirm the details of your job. Organize visa and relocation requirements well in advance. Consider speaking with current or former employees for insights. Utilize GoAbroad's resources for obtaining work visas. Connect with local expat communities for support. Stay positive and persistent throughout your job search. Celebrate your new adventure once you secure your position abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.